This is our 2025 winter kinda model reviewing, and we got a new model here, Gemini Jets 1200 Skill Delta, and yeah, alright. So let's start reviewing all of them, and we're gonna go through these and that shelf, and then some of my cups I got, and you got these ones too. You got more pictures on the walls, and alright, let's go. So first up, you have a Qantas Airways Airbus A380-800, United Boeing 727-100, British Airways Airbus A380-800, Delta 747-400. Well, these are not really airplanes, but you got an American Airlines and United Airlines bus from the 1980s. Lufthansa 747-8, Korean Air 747-400, Airbus Beluga 8 on the A330 frame, the blue P-51 Mustang, American Airlines Boeing 777-300ER, Southwest Airlines 737-800, Air Canada Boeing 777-300ER, F-16 bullet plane, Airbus A350-900 in the home livery, Delta 767-300, Air Canada Boeing 777-300ER in the toothpaste mint livery, Southwest Boeing 737-700 in the Missouri 1 livery, Southwest 737-800 in the Freedom 1 livery, Southwest 737-700 in the Tennessee 1 livery, Southwest 737 MAX 8 in the MU 1 livery, Southwest 737 in the Hartford 1 livery. Alaska doesn't own these anymore, but this is a Alaska Airbus A321neo. Alaska Airlines Embraer 175 by SkyWest and Horizon Air's retro livery. Alaska Airlines Boeing 737-900ER in the More to Love livery. And by the way, Alaska Airlines is retiring the 900s at the end of this year and next year. WestJet Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Air Canada Cargo 767-300. UPS MD-11-F, and I believe this is the same registration as the Louisville crash. Caribbean ATR-72-600. Hawaiian Airlines Airbus A330-200. Philippine Airlines A321neo. Delta in the 100th year Airbus A321neo and the new Neos. Alright, now let's move on to the small planes. Southwest 737-800 in the Freedom 1, just like this one. Southwest 737-800, Alaska Airlines, Hawaiian Airlines, Southwest Airlines, and they make sounds. We have a firefighter Chinook, Boeing 777X, very small P-51, Qantas A380, another Alaska, and we have an American keychain light-up planes. Aer Lingus A330-300, British Airways 747-400, Delta Airlines A350, American Airlines 777, British Airways Concorde, Etihad's Dreamliner, Alaska's Boeing 737-800, WestJet's 787 Dreamliner, right next to this Dreamliner. Then you got some other ones that I think, then you had P-51 right there, and then I don't know that one. You got some 747 Dreamliners, 777s, and I know I'm making this up because I actually have no idea what that one is. It might be an Avro. Okay. Then you have the be part of Destination Dubai A380 in Emirates. Hawaiian Airlines Airbus A330. Aero Mexico Dreamliner. This is actually not Daron. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Southwest Poppets. 1, 2, 3 Southwest wing pins. 2 coloring pencil cases. 4 phone holders. 3 Poppets. A card. And a Lego plane by Southwest. Then we have this Luftwaffe Airbus A321 1400 scale. Hawaiian Airlines Airbus A321. United Boeing 777 300ER. FedEx 777F. Air Force One 747 400. Air Force One 757. UPS 747 400. Air Canada Boeing 777. Another Delta Airlines A350, but this one's kind of broken. United Dreamliner. UPS MD-11. F. JetBlue A320. JetBlue in the original JetBlue livery. Turkish Airlines 777. Flying Banana A320. Sun Country Airlines 800 737. Swiss Airbus A340. Another Hawaiian Airlines A330. Alaska Boeing 737-800. Another Flying Banana A320. And then we have a Herpa UPS 747-8. Alright, well that's all for this year's tour of my airplane collection, it grew. I'm trying to complete my Southwest collection, as you can see, of Skymarks. All I need left is really just the Desert Max 8, whatever you call the gold one, and then the Canyon Blue Max 8, and then the Lone Star 737-700. Alright, I'm probably going to do another one maybe after Christmas, or sometime closer to when I have my trip. Alright, take care guys, thank you.